Okay guys, we're going to do a table centerpiece. So all we need, I need this small vase. I have cymbidium, the biggest orchids. Okay, this cymbidium. And we have this sponge for fresh flower. I just completely cut this already. And we have this, they call it cordyline red. And there's a green color and variegated light. Got green and yellow color. So right now we have this red, cordyline red. That's what they call it. Okay. And we have some, well, you can use board cutter or knife, scissors or flowers, or pruner, this cutter, whatever they call it. So you can use this tree, whatever you want. So I'm actually prefer using this one because it's sharper and easily to change. Knife, you need to sharpen it, you know, then it's dull, very less effort to cut. Look at this one, it's dull, this one change. Okay. Okay, so let's start. How to do? Let's put the sponge first. Because we have this, I cut already. Actually, the easiest way to put a sponge is just press on the mouth so you see a mark. From there you're gonna cut it. Okay, so same as doing like this. Just to make sure it's just exactly right. You can cut using a dull knife, okay, or whatever you're using. So you can cut there and there. But just don't waste some sponge. So from here we got this already. Right? Just cut a few on the side and press. Okay, but it's better let wet it. Okay, just put on the water and let it sink by himself, as you can see. Or either you can put already this one on the water, then you can cut. It's the same thing, but this one of course is easier to dispose of water. It's wet. You need to squish out so it's not heavy in your garbage. Okay, so that's it. Okay, put it. Press it down. Okay, I don't want it extra, we just cut it off. Yep. And water. More water, better, can last longer, the flower. Okay, so I have a few cuts here. Okay. This leaf is quite big. Okay. Okay, much sharper. Easy to cut. It's too big. Okay, so I just need a bit shorter. So cut from there, B shape. And through there. Yeah. Fit. So this is how I do it usually. Okay. This is the back side. Then you fold like this, and you can poke here through here. So we have like folded leaves. Okay. Cut long, cut a bit, and poke. Okay. Another one. Usually other people just do this one is just the right size, so make it like pointy a bit, easy to poke through the leaf. Okay, other than just do like this and like this. That depends on on the florist how they want it to be. And usually I do it like this, so the leaves won't be on the way when I put the flower in the middle. Okay, it won't block the sponge. So I usually fold it like this. And new look, because usually people don't do much of this folding stuff. Okay, right here. So I guess we can put 3 leaves, one more here, just enough to cover the sponge. Don't show this one. Here. Just a bit longer, so we can make it shorter a bit. Okay. Make sure it's pointy and fold. See, poke. If it's quite hard to poke, you can poke it there to make a hole. Then easy to slide in. Okay. Then that's it. Okay. So we have this one. If the mouth of the vase is quite bigger, you can put, of course, sometimes still you cannot cover the whole vase, so you're just going to put another one. Okay, this one, okay. This is usually they use for cocktail tables or just for small tables, coffee tables. Okay, so you can use, let's say this is, take one here. Okay, make it a bit straight, make it pointy. Okay, oh, this got damaged. Okay, never mind, let's change to a new one. Okay, just say, you want to see how we use this one. This one is usually used for flowers. Okay, so now it's a bit straight, it needs to poke in. Okay. So you hold it here so it won't break some of the petals, flower petals, and more especially this one. You don't hold here and push down, you might break here. So your thumb here and one finger here so it will support. Okay. Then we're at the center. We have here and poke it there. Like that. Okay. Well, we can fold this. The other side, see, it's more wider. I mean, like a bloom. Make it more look bigger. Okay. And usually, if you don't like this poking out, you can cut them off. Yep. Make it a bit pointy somewhere also, but not that pointy and not too big. Okay. Okay. Actually, this one is done already. See, as you can see, but you can add some other things if you have like those fillers or some few leaves. Let's say I'm gonna use misty. Okay, so here I have this. This is called misty. This one can use like you can dry this thing and you can use it for dried flowers. Just right, hold here, pointy, get it pointy. Okay, yeah. And pull underneath the flower. So you can put on one side or just depends on how you want it. Okay, so let's do it like put it around it. It's looking nice already. Right? Can put one more on the side and around. Done. It's done already. Okay. Or you want, if you don't like these, those other leaves. This single. Single rustlers, okay, and the small one, and poke there, if it's just a leaf here, like poke pretty hard, you can poke, make a hole. It's so easy to drive through the leaves, stem. Okay, so that, yeah, over here. 虜になってしまえばきっとこの